as Facebook India defined hate speech in the Indian context. Hate speech in the US or in Australia or in the UK may not be hate speech in India. Does the global CEO has any role in the public policy in India? There is no India specific jurisdiction from where you derive 40% of your users. There are reports that hate promotes virality, virality increases your revenue. Is there a specific and a standalone individual definition of hate speech for India, for the Indian jurisdiction alone?
Respectfully, let me say that I don't think I'm able to add further value to your question.
As Facebook India defined hate speech in the Indian context.
When you say the definition of hate speech in India, if you can point out there is a hate speech definition that we should look at, we will definitely take that on board.
What could be hate speech in the US may not be hate speech in India, right? It is in that context that I'm asking, is there a specific definition of hate speech for India?
We believe the hate speech definition that we have in the community standards is ensuring that it takes care of the issues in India, sir.
What are the total number of registered users in India?
Over 400 million people in India.
There is no India specific jurisdiction from where you derive 40% of your users. And what may be hate speech in the US or in Australia or in the UK may not be hate speech in India. Whether a post in the United States saying African Americans are termites who have a conspiracy to take over the country and need to be exterminated, will this post be considered to be hate speech that would be immediately removed from the platform?
Hate speech, community standards, content policy related issues are not dealt by my team.
Does the global CEO has any role vis-a-vis the public policy in India? We
are structured in a manner where we have enough checks and balances and we work in coordination with all the global teams across the world.
Do kindly provide us with a list of this global leadership that you mentioned, who all are there in the global leadership team.
As you understand, platforms like ours have to work on complex issues, which it is very difficult to say that the definition is always going to be perfect. It is always ever evolving.
How soon do you discover that a particular content that has been posted and has been flagged by a user is in violation of your own community standards?
As per applicable law required by any tech intermediary, we have to have a grievance officer.
There are views and there are reports that certainly highlight the fact that hate promotes virality, virality increases your revenue.
Respected Chair, I can only share what is out there in the public domain. For anything beyond that, I'll have to check.